to Draw with Bee. Today we are doing some very cute Christmas bells. I'm doing 2 Christmas bells. You could do 1 or 2, whatever your heart desires. So let's get started. I'm going to begin this side over here by doing an upside down U and then bringing it out, sort of like a hat. Then I'm going to curve it up and around, just like this. Around the edges just a little bit, and then we're going to join it from here to here. Okay? Make sure that he looks like he's in proportion. Then what we're going to do is draw the other guy next to him, or girl. So then, just going to do it just like that. Bring it down. Curve it out just like the other one. Curve this bit out. Join them up. And then this one has the beautiful chime on the inside that makes the ding-a-ling sound. All right. Next, what I'm going to do in the middle is the bow. So I'm going to start with a big circle like that. Then come up, down, and up again. Just like that. Then you can do the other side just the same. Then in the middle, we're going to do the 2 little string bits, which are the little hangy down bits. Lovely. All right. And then 2 little lines in the middle for the middle part of the bow. Now, what we're going to need to do is the middle part of this bell. And the last bit we need to do is amazing faces. So I think this one is going to be winking. And have a big smile. And then this one is going to have 2 circle eyes and a little smile in the middle. How cute is that? Now what I'm going to do is go around these beautiful cute bells with my marker, color in. So I'll fast forward this bit. Please pause the video if you need some more time, and I'll see you soon. I hope you enjoyed coloring in your amazing Christmas bells. I love these guys. I think they're super cute. The last thing I am going to add in is some detail with a gold pen, because I love gold pens. I think they just add a little bit of magic to Christmas bells. So I think what I'm going to do is just do the outline here with gold to make them look super shiny. Amazing. Do this one here. I love drawing cute faces at Christmas time. It just is so super cool. Now, I think that will do us for our amazing Christmas bells today. You can go ahead and add more glitter. You can add pom-poms. You can add sequins. You can add special gems. And I hope you enjoyed watching today, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.